Hey guys, so the modeling channel is still relatively new, but a lot of you knew me from Rise 3D Printing. And today I received a box from a viewer asking me to do the build for them. They are unable to build the models themselves, and they asked if I would do it. So I have no idea what they sent me to build. So let's open it up and take a look. Oh boy. There are multiple kits in here actually. So we've got the Enterprise C. We got an Enterprise. Oh, this is every Enterprise. So there's the E. Oh, this is going to have to be a live stream. There's the D. They're not going to stand there. And here is the Enterprise A, and the Enterprise B. So that's going to be a big set of builds to do, but don't worry about it. We're going to get them built. So make sure you catch live streams as I post them as we build these on the live streams. See you guys out there. Thanks for watching.